Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Siri on the lock screen on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on Siri in Search. Next, tap on Allow Siri when locked, and tap on it to switch it off and set turn off Allow Siri when locked. Turning off Siri when locked will also turn off Announce notifications and Siri and Announce calls with headphones. If you are sure, tap on the turn off button. Otherwise, you can tap on it to switch it on. When switching it on, you need to put in your screen passcode. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.